Hey folks, my name is Mr. Mshar and I'm here to make a, very shameless plug for AP Physics C. So if you're listening to this video right now, you are in AP Physics 1. And just a little background about me. I'm one of the many physics teachers here at LT. I've been here at LT since 1997. I've been teaching overall since 95. One key thing about my background that you might find useful is I was a mechanical engineering major at Purdue University. So if you have any engineering type questions, I would be one that you could ask. Your teachers are going to make a lot of points about why you should take another science class. And so first of all, if you're taking any other science class next year, that's good. The more science you can take, the better. It's going to help with your critical thinking skills and your analyzing of situations, whatever science course you take. And they're all these science courses at LT are awesome. So whatever one you choose, it's not going to be a wrong answer. Another thing they're going to emphasize to you, hopefully, is that if your only goal is to get to college, then like this is your most important year, your junior year. And that's the last grades the college advisor is going to see. But if your goal is to get through college, then your senior year is your most important year. That's the year to get you ready for the rigors of college. To that end, why take AP Physics C? All right, well, I've got a couple reasons for you. Number one, do you like a good formula? All right, are you the kind of person who doesn't mind the math so much? You kind of like the math a little bit. Do you like science? Are you kind of geeked out about some of the things you're learning and some of the things you will continue to learn in Physics 1 this year? Are you interested at all are you thinking about a career in engineering or science, any engineering or science? By the way, engineering is just applied physics, whether it's mechanical engineering or civil or aero or industrial engineering. Those are all just applied physics. So if you're thinking about engineering, physics is your class. The next thing I'll mention is credit. So right now you're in AP Physics 1, and if you do well in the AP exam, you will earn college credit. However, that college credit would be used for more of a gen ed. So for instance, if you're a business major and want to get credit for a science course, you can use your Phys 1 credit. However, let's say you're going to go to U of I into engineering. Well, then they won't allow you to use the Phys 1 credit to move ahead. Okay? And also, Phys 1 is algebra based. The only math you folks do is algebra and trigonometry a little bit, geometry, sine, cosine, tangent. Physics C is calculus based. And therefore, you not only can you get credit for taking it, but it's also can be used to advance in college. In other words, you can get out of taking your intro physics classes in college and go right to your engineering courses. I would say the vast majority of my students who do okay on the AP exam do that. They take the credit and they go on to the next course. So you're going to get a head start in your college. And I would argue that the physics education you'll get here at LT is at least as good, if not better than an introductory course you might see in college. Okay. Speaking of that AP exam, LT students do exceptionally well on the Phys C AP test. Not to brag, but typically we're either the first or second place course as far as overall average grade in the AP exam, number of 5s and 4s, etc. So if you choose to take APC and you do well and you work hard, there's a very good chance that you will do very well on the AP exam. The last big point I have to make before I let you go is for the women in here. So right now, if you look around, or if you're on Zoom right now, you look around, the numbers in AP Physics 1 are about equal gender-wise. There's about an equal number of men and women in your classes overall. When you get to Physics C, it's not so much that way. It's dominated by the males. We need more women in Physics C. There is no reason why that class should not be 50-50 men and women. Also, and the same holds true in college. There are so few women scientists and engineers, especially with physics and engineering, especially. I am encouraging you ladies in here that if you're doing okay in this class and you enjoy it, and you're thinking maybe about engineering or science going on to college, I very much encourage you to take Physics C. Um, I'll give you an example. Look at AP Bio. AP Bio, lots of women take AP Bio. It's a lot of women take AP Bio. You look at walking to my Physics C classes, not nearly as many. Now, one reason I mention that is if you think about applying for colleges, colleges are looking for things that are special. Not many women take AP Physics C. So if you take that course and you're doing okay, that's going to look really good on a college transcript. It's also going to get you ready for your engineering and science classes that you're going to take in college. The last thing one other thing I'll mention, maybe not the last, but let me share my screen with you. For the ladies in here, your teacher is hopefully going to share this article with you, which is online. So they'll share a link with you. Is also a PDF of it. And it talks about some of the issues that women face in science, in college and careers. I hope that you will actually, if you get a chance, read this before you select a science course for next year. It's a very exceptional article and talks about some of the struggles that we know you face. Let me just say, I am encouraging you to take Physics C. And I imagine your teacher that you have right now will also encourage you to take Physics C. So please consider that. Now back for everybody. If you have any questions about Physics C, you are absolutely encouraged to email me. Ask your teacher for my email, and then I can either meet with you via Zoom or in person. Either one would be great. I would love to talk with you about Physics C and help you make a decision, a good decision for you. Again, taking any science course next year is awesome. But I hope that some of you will consider taking AP Physics C. So have a good one and good luck.